नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंदा. Enunciating text 22, text 23 and text 24 of chapter 4, Vidur approaches Maitreya of third canto of the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 22. यत्र नारायणो देवो नरशच भगवान ऋषिः मृदु तीव्रम तपोदीर्घम ते पाते लोकभावनौ. There in Badrika Ashram, the personality of Godhead in his incarnation as the sages Nara and Narayana has been undergoing great penance since time immemorial for the welfare of all amiable living entities. Badrika Ashram in the Himalayas, the abode of the Nara Narayana sages, is a great place of pilgrimage for the Hindus. Even up to the present, hundreds and thousands of pious Hindus go to pay respects to the incarnation of Godhead Nara Narayana. It appears that even 5,000 years ago, this holy place was being visited by such a holy being as Uddhav, and even at that time this place was known to be very, very old. This pilgrimage site particularly is very difficult to visit for ordinary men because of its difficult situation in the Himalayas, in a place which is covered by ice almost all year. A few months during the summer season, people can visit this place at great personal inconvenience. There are 4 dhams or kingdoms of God, which represent the planets of the spiritual sky, which consists of the Brahmajyoti and the Vaikunthas. These are Badrika Ashram, Rameshwara, Jagannath Puri and Dwarka. Faithful Hindus still visit all these holy places for perfection of spiritual realization, following in the footsteps of devotees like Uddhav. Text 23. Shri Shuka Uvacha Ityuddhava Dupakaranya Surudam Duha Saham Vadham Jnanenasham Yatakshakta Shokamuta Patitam Budhaha. Shri Shukdev Goswami said, after hearing from Uddhav all about the annihilation of his friends and relatives, the learned Vidur pacified his overwhelming bereavement by dint of his transcendental knowledge. Vidur was informed that the result of the battle of Kurukshetra was the annihilation of his friends and relatives, as well as the destruction of the Yadu dynasty and also the passing away of the Lord. All these hurled him into bereavement for the time being, but because he was highly advanced in transcendental knowledge, he was quite competent to pacify himself by enlightenment. As it is stated in Bhagavad Gita, due to our long association with bodily relationships, bereavement on account of the annihilation of friends and relatives is not at all astonishing, but one has to learn the art of subduing such bereavement with higher transcendental knowledge. The talks between Uddhav and Vidur on the topic of Krishna began at sunset, and Vidur was now further advanced in knowledge due to his association with Uddhav. Text 24. Satam Mahabhagavatam Vrajantam Kauravarshabhaha Vishrambhat Bhya Dhattedam Mukhyam Krishna Parigrahe. While Uddhav, the chief and most confidential amongst the devotees of the Lord, was going away, Vidur in affection and confidence questioned him. Vidur was much older than Uddhav. By family relationship, Uddhav was a contemporary brother of Krishna's, while Vidur was as elderly as Krishna's father Vasudev. But although junior by age, Uddhav was much advanced in the devotional service of the Lord, and therefore he is described herein as the chief amongst the devotees of the Lord. Vidur was confident about this, and thus he addressed Uddhav in that higher category. That is the way of courteous dealings between two devotees. Hare Krishna.